Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to go ahead to introduce our the newest products on my right hand, the cocktail sinks. For this unit, let's take a look at the overall dimensions first. The unit length about like a 2 feet 24 inches. And depth of the unit is about like a 29 inches. And the overall height is about like a 33 inches tall. So as we can see, the units, they have two separate parts. This side, they have a big sink, like a big bowl right here at the behinds. And the front, they have a 2-layer stage. You can remove it and put it back. You can put all the drinks and any accessories to put on the 2 stage and making the works at the sink. So let's take a closer to see the inner side dimensions. For the front stage storage, this one will be about the 4 inches wide, 2 feet long, and the height is about like 5 inches tall. The second layers will be 5.5 inches tall. And for the inner side of the sink, we can see they have a 2 plastic accessory box. Now let's take the measures for the inner side. The sink inner side about like a 22 inches wide, 15 inches in the length. Depth of the sink will be 12.5 inches tall. For the plastic holders, it's like a 4 and 1/4 inches wide, and the depth about like almost like 5 inches. This will be all information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.